Hello folks, and welcome to Action Angling. I've been doing some driving today. I went up to about an hour away from my house to a little spillway. It was an urban spillway, and did not catch a fish. It's halfway through the day now. So I'm going to head out. In the sake of gathering some video footage, I'm going to do some creek carp fishing. I'm going to do a little bit different this time. I'm going to tie on a float and try winter float fishing for a creek carp. Or anything else that bites, because there is other fish in this creek. So stay tuned, we'll explore this little creek and hopefully catch some fish for you today on Action Angling. Alright. The creek is very shallow. I fished here before. There's my little 2-gram float. A couple little split shots, number 8 hook. I'll try a worm first. Half a worm. A little bite here in the float. It's a definite bite. They may not take the bait well enough for me to use a float here today. But I'm going to stick it out for a little bit. Got something playing with it. Got him. Got him. Well, you know what? It's not a very big carp, but it is the target species. And he definitely ate it. I will take it. It's actually very cool to me to catch these little tiny carp. Fish for the future. It's kind of a little beat up looking. It's from the winter feeding mode, but anyways. No skunks today. That's what's important. So what this spot is, the creek goes around that tree over there, and it creates a slack pool all on this side of the creek that I'm standing on, all the way down to that next tree. In the winter time, I find they really crowd up when the current swirls around the tree there. It's winter time. No matter how you're fishing, the bites are going to be very subtle, so you're not looking for the float to go right under. What it's going to do is twitch, 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 and move in weird directions. The advantage of winter is that they're stacked up all together usually. They're all in one spot. The disadvantage of winter is they're not feeding very often. Another one here. He's going. Got him. What do we got here? Oh, 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 oh. That'd be the first one I've ever caught in this creek, actually. Little rock bass. That's pretty cool. The end of January, get your rock bass on worms. I know, it's not a giant species. Still, very cool. Bye, buddy. That's awesome. I really actually did not expect the multi-species at all. Even though I know there's bullheads in this creek, there's chubs, bluegills, bass. But that's the first rock bass I ever caught. See if there's anything else in here. Yep. Oh, we got another rock bass. As soon as I put that float back on, it's not even the same one. Same size. Not the same one. Oh, that's cool. One of the bonuses of winter fishing, you catch fish that you wouldn't catch. Well, it's not that you wouldn't catch them here in the summertime, there's just too many carp and bullheads competing. It is. That's a rock bass. It's a different one again. I think I found the rock bass hole. He's got no marks. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, buddy. Had no marks in his mouth. Never caught one here before. There's freaking 3 today. Okay, that's cool, but I want something that pulls a little drag, please. Sorry for the lack of fire content. It's not exactly a banner of winter here in southern Ontario, let me tell you that much. I was going to go back ice fishing today at Valens. Just didn't feel like going all the way there. Dragging the stuff out. I just wanted to be able to just walk up and cast, so I knew it was coming. I knew it would be a challenge. Well, this spot has lost its juice. Still got daylight left. So, I guess I will go downstream a little bit. Looks like this is kind of worthless actually, because if you can't see them, they could be anywhere from here to the next 300 feet, and only 2 or 3 access points, and they're not spooking when I walk up to the bank, which is both good and bad. It at least would show me where they are, but yeah, nothing going on here. Well, might have to go camp out in the first spot again. At least I got some circulation in my legs. Try this spot for a minute. It looks amazing, like it should be a wintering hole, but I've never caught anything here besides spring and summer. I got something. Species number 3. I snagged. Oh my god! I snagged it, but I was actually thinking earlier, I'm surprised there's no suckers here. Look at that. Man, that would be just a perfect pike bait. That's funny. All these species I never knew existed here. Well, maybe there's a bigger sucker over there. Let's get the old float over on there. No, instantly, fish. Species number 4. Good old crick chub. You may have seen me catch these on my channel before. I was wondering where these guys were too. Although, they're spotty in the winter for some reason. So, there we are. I don't know if the float helped there or not. Another species. Get 'em. On. Another species. Common shiner. Hold still. I just want to show you to the camera. That is a common shiner, not a creek chub. So wow, they're really getting a lot of different species here, which is odd. It's usually just carp, especially in the winter time. Alright, back to spot 8 with some sunshine. Well, about a half hour from sunset. It's getting cold. Bites have pretty well stopped. I think it's time to pack it in. Just be happy that I caught some fish today, I guess. It's about to pack up. Start getting a bite again. And it's a good fish. No way. No way. Right at the end of the freaking day. I was just about to pack up. That. Where's my net? Okay, where's my net? That couldn't have been any more perfect. Can't pick and choose the size, but sometimes you get lucky. Obviously it's not a big carp by carp standards, but for today it certainly is. Oh yeah. Good little 2-pounder. Beauty. Alrighty, there we go guys. Nice larger carp to end the day on a worm. Perfect timing. Alrighty. It's gonna be the long distance release. Thanks for playing, fish. Whew. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I couldn't be much more satisfied with today, actually. Ended on a high note and began on a high note, actually, for January, at the end of January. You just can't beat that. Got multi-species action, got a few different kinds of chub, sucker, rock bass. We did it all. We did it all today, and which is great for a little tiny creek. And then at the end, I swear, I was just about to reel that rod in. The float just started tick, 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 tick. And I said, no way. Expected a chub or something, or another rock bass, and there it was, the biggest carp of the day. Not a very big carp. Even for this creek, it wasn't a very big carp, but bigger than anything else I caught today. End of January. You just can't be choosy. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit all of your friends that don't do the same. And actually, make sure you do subscribe from here on out if you haven't yet, because when I hit 500 subscribers, there's going to be a big time giveaway. There's a bait casting reel and a few other surprises going to be thrown in the mix, but it will only be if you're a subscriber to my channel. So make sure you smash that button right now and hit the notification bell so you get notified of all the videos in the future. We'll see you next time. Chop, chop.
No.